Modern firefighting depends on highly specialized machines built for speed, power, and precision. Today we're taking a look at 15 of the most advanced fire trucks in the world, starting with number 15, Rosenbauer Panther ARFF. Modern airport rescue demands speed, precision, and overwhelming firefighting power within the first 3 minutes of an aircraft emergency. The Rosenbauer Panther ARFF was built specifically for that mission. Manufactured in Austria, it has become the global benchmark for airport rescue and firefighting, operating at major international hubs across Europe, North America, Asia, and the Middle East. Unlike modified commercial trucks, the Panther is built on a purpose-designed chassis and offered in 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8 configurations, allowing airports to match the vehicle to runway size and operational demand. Depending on the configuration, it carries between 12 and 19,000 liters of water, along with foam concentrate and dry chemical agents for multi-layer suppression capability. Despite weighing over 30 metric tons when fully loaded, the 8x8 variant accelerates from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour in under 25 seconds and reaches speeds exceeding 110 kilometers per hour. That performance is not optional. International aviation standards require airport rescue vehicles to reach any point on the runway within strict response times. Its firefighting systems are engineered for maximum output under extreme conditions. The roof-mounted turret, available as the RM60 or RM80, can discharge more than 9,000 liters per minute, while the front bumper turret provides close-range suppression during approach. Some configurations feature the Stinger high-reach extendable turret, capable of piercing an aircraft fuselage and delivering water directly into the cabin to rapidly suppress interior fires. Crew protection is equally prioritized. The reinforced cab includes rollover protection, thermal insulation, and heat-reflective glass. Advanced camera systems and optional thermal imaging allow operators to navigate through smoke and low-visibility crash sites. Critical components, including pumps, electronics, and drivetrains, are designed to continue operating even after sustaining damage, reflecting the unpredictable reality of aircraft emergencies. The Panther is not built for city streets or structural firefighting. Its scale, cost, and specialization limit it to airports and select military installations. But within the world of modern airport rescue, the Rosenbauer Panther remains the gold standard, setting the pace for automation, crew safety, and rapid response firefighting worldwide. And yet, even this level of engineering is only the beginning. Number 14. Magirus M32L. What makes this series truly advanced is not just its height, but the way the ladder moves and stabilizes. The 32 in its name refers to its 32-meter working height, yet its real advantage lies in its single extension technology. Unlike traditional turntable ladders, where all ladder sections extend simultaneously, the M32LS allows the top section to expand independently. This improves overall weight distribution and enables exceptional horizontal outreach. Another defining feature is its articulated arm. The upper portion of the ladder, measuring roughly 4.7 meters, can bend at uncanny angles. This articulation allows firefighters to reach over roof peaks, access recessed balconies, or descend below ground level into areas such as basement windows or riverbanks. Its stability feature is handled by the Magirus CS, a system that uses sensors to detect movement and oscillation in real time. For example, if a firefighter enters the rescue cage, or if wind or sudden motion affects the ladder, the system automatically counteracts the movement by instantly adjusting the hydraulics. Later versions introduced smart control systems, including comfort-based joystick controls and an improved rescue pilot system designed to reduce operator fatigue and improve precision during extended rescue operations. From a technical standpoint, this series offers a working height of 32 meters, a rescue cage capacity of up to 500 kilograms, accommodating up to 5 people, and a water delivery system capable of up to 2,500 liters per minute. These capabilities explain why the series is so highly regarded. Urban high-rises demand precision and height, but airport emergencies require overwhelming firepower delivered at extreme speeds. The Oshkosh Striker was built for exactly that. Number 13. Oshkosh Striker. The Oshkosh Striker doesn't just respond to aircraft fires, it dominates them. Built on a Tatra all-wheel independent suspension originally developed for military vehicles, this beast handles like a sports car despite carrying up to 4,500 gallons of suppressant. Across its variants, water capacity remains its primary attribute, scaling up depending on the chassis, from the 1,500 gallons carried by the 4x4 variant to 3,000 on the 6x6, and peaking at a massive 4,500 gallons on the 8x8 powerhouse. The performance gap between variants is substantial. For example, while the 8x8 diesel model surges from 0 to 50 miles per hour in under 25 seconds, the Volterra electric variant shatters that benchmark, reaching the same speed in less than 21 seconds. The Volterra features a hybrid electric drivetrain with an electromechanical transmission, enabling a zero-emission electric mode. This development reduces firefighter exposure to diesel exhaust. Battery life is also not a concern, as it uses dual power integration, which combines battery energy with a downsized internal combustion engine to maintain uninterrupted water pumping for more than 2 hours. The Snozzle high-reach extendable turret, especially the 50 or 65-foot versions, features a piercing mechanism that penetrates aircraft fuselages, delivering extinguishing agents directly into cabins or cargo holds to aid precision and avoid depth perception errors. A K-factor alignment system is in place. For the crew inside, visibility at all times is the primary goal. For this, the vehicle features a center-steer driving position wrapped in 98 square feet of glass, providing a panoramic horizontal view for superior situational awareness. Safety is further reinforced by electronic stability control and optional side curtain airbags, designed to shield the crew during high-stakes, extreme maneuvers. Yet engineering goes beyond the driving experience. It also addresses the threats faced on the job. To manage carcinogen exposure, the interior is outfitted with fully washable surfaces, while the exterior features a dedicated washdown station. Much like the engineering seen in number 15, this Titan incorporates a 360-degree camera system to provide the operator a comprehensive bird's-eye perspective. This digital oversight creates a direct technological link between the two machines and a much newer third one. Number 12. Rosenbauer RT Electric Fire Truck. The RT, an acronym for Revolutionary Technology, carries a name that precedes its reputation. Its primary focus is on safety, comfort, and sustainability. In the field, it answers emergencies in a virtually silent, zero-emission electric mode, a stark contrast to the roaring diesel engines of the past. Publicly launched in September 2020, its innovative design centers on a height-adjustable chassis. Utilizing a pneumatic suspension, the vehicle can transition through 4 distinct modes, shifting its ground clearance from a low 7-inch operation mode to a 19-inch waiting mode. This adaptability eliminates the necessity for high steps, significantly reducing the physical strain on firefighters. Inside, the traditional barrier between the driver's cab and the crew compartment has been erased. This modern, open, walk-through cockpit, featuring rotating driver and commander seats, facilitates seamless communication and real-time operational briefings. Engineering the RT required a fundamental rethink of physics. By placing the heavy batteries and water tank low within the chassis, the vehicle maintains a remarkably low center of gravity, achieving superior driving stability and a reduced rollover risk. Power is delivered by 2 electric motors generating 360 kilowatts, coupled with a permanent all-wheel drive system. For extended missions, the RT operates as a range-extended electric vehicle. A clean BMW diesel engine serves as an onboard generator, recharging the 132 kilowatt batteries, or powering the pump directly to ensure continuous service. Beyond its own propulsion, the RT transforms into a mobile power station, supplying external electrical devices with 230 or 400 volts of power directly from its batteries. To ensure total situational awareness, the RT incorporates electronic mirror replacement systems, blind spot warnings, and a 360-degree bird's-eye view. High-performance LED strips are integrated directly into the body, casting a bright, shadow-free light that often renders separate light masts obsolete. The RT can carry between 500 and 750 gallons of water with pump capacities reaching 1,500 gallons per minute, making it the definitive tool for the modern urban landscape. While the RT masters ground-level urban emergencies with electric power, extreme height demands a different solution: the world's tallest aerial platform. Number 11. Bronto Skylift F112. Extending to a staggering 112 meters, it can reach as high as the 37th floor of a skyscraper. Yet, height is only half of it. With a 33-meter horizontal outreach, this truck provides critical up-and-over capabilities, allowing operators to bypass obstacles and reach deep into the heart of a structure. At the end of its massive arm is a rescue cage capable of supporting a 700-kilogram load to evacuate multiple victims at once. Despite its massive 78-ton frame, this truck is capable of reaching substantial speeds. Mounted on a heavy-duty 14x8 Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, it can be fully stabilized in just 40 seconds thanks to its advanced auto-jacking function. Once deployed, the Bronto Plus control system takes over, utilizing sophisticated computer modeling to calculate safe limits on the spot. This ensures the platform remains stable even as it delivers up to 3,800 liters of water per minute through an integrated internal waterway. Furthermore, the cage can rotate 60 to 90 degrees to either side, allowing firefighters to align perfectly with windows or balconies for precision rescues. In cities like Bangkok, Moscow, and Taipei, this is not merely a firefighting vehicle. It is an answer to the challenges of the modern skyline. While its primary mission is to reach upwards, the Bronto also has the unique ability to descend, extending up to 20 feet below ground level to facilitate rescues from under bridges or even riverbanks. Moving on from aerial reach into frontline firefighting, the next truck displays an unmissable sustainability function. Number 10. Pierce Volterra Electric Pumper. The Pierce Volterra is North America's first zero-emission electric fire truck in active service. Designed to match the performance of traditional diesel apparatus while delivering significant environmental and operational benefits, this represents a breakthrough in firefighting technology. Using an Oshkosh patented parallel electric drivetrain and integrated onboard batteries, the Volterra handles everyday driving and quick attack responses silently, producing zero tailpipe emissions. This not only reduces firefighter exposure to diesel exhaust, but also minimizes noise on scene, making operations safer and more efficient. For longer calls, a backup internal combustion engine seamlessly couples to the drivetrain, providing continuous power to both the vehicle and the pump. Even if the batteries get low, the truck maintains full operational capacity, ensuring reliability in high-pressure situations. Performance metrics remain high, with acceleration comparable to diesel models and a powerful onboard pump capable of delivering up to 2,000 gallons per minute. The proven TAC-4 all-wheel independent suspension provides exceptional maneuverability, ride quality, and stability across a wide range of conditions. Built on the robust Pierce Enforcer or Velocity Custom chassis, the Volterra is available with battery capacities of 155 kilowatt-hours or 246 kilowatt-hours, depending on a department's specific duty cycle. The standard water tank holds 500 gallons, and the onboard batteries can recharge in 15 to 90 minutes using a DC fast charger, depending on the current charge level. Electric dominates North America's urban departments, but European airports demand something more extreme. twin-engine titans that can drown aircraft fires in seconds. Number 9. Ziegler Z-Class Z8. This vehicle stands as the massive 8x8 flagship of the Ziegler Z-Class Airport Rescue Series, often dubbed the true firefighting giant. Engineered to operate in the world's largest airports, its design features a mechanism to release water and foam through a highly modular configuration. The Z8 is built for versatility, capable of being customized to dominate specific airfield climates and treacherous terrains. The heart of this behemoth is its twin-engine system. Powered by two Scania DC-16 motors, it produces a staggering 1,540 horsepower, creating one of the most formidable drive setups in the industry. Despite a massive weight of 52 tons, the Z8 can surge from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour in under 20 seconds, eventually reaching a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour. While its speed is a marvel of engineering, its extinguishing capabilities are equally impressive. The Z8 carries an enormous volume of suppression agents, up to 19,000 liters of water and foam. Its Ziegler FPN 10,000 centrifugal pump can discharge up to 10,000 liters per minute, with the roof-mounted turret alone delivering 8,000 liters per minute. For more surgical strikes, the optional Z-Attack high-reach extendable turret can extend 20 meters, providing the power to pierce aircraft and deliver water or foam directly. Inside the Z-Cab AIR, there is 1.8 meters of standing height and a panoramic view for maximum visibility during high-speed navigation. Furthermore, the Z remote system allows for over-the-air diagnostics and software updates, ensuring this mission-critical Titan is always ready to answer the call. But the Z8 dominates flat runways. The next vehicle takes airport rescue into rough terrain, moving with six-wheel agility at blistering speeds. Number 8. Iveco Magirus Dragon X6. While it sits below the massive 8x8 Super Dragon, its 6x6 configuration grants it a decisive advantage in agility. This layout allows it to move faster and more confidently across the tarmac, providing rapid response capability without sacrificing fire-extinguishing power. At the core of the Dragon X6 is the twin-engine power pack. This dual-engine strategy, typically built around two Iveco Cursor 13 engines, delivers a combined output of up to 1,140 horsepower. This enables the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 80 km per hour in under 20 seconds, comfortably exceeding international ICAO response standards. The twin-engine layout also enables full pump-and-roll capability, allowing the Dragon X6 to drive at up to 70 km per hour, while simultaneously discharging water and foam at maximum pressure through its turrets. Underneath the turrets, its storage contains 10,000 and 12,500 liters of water, along with approximately 1,500 liters of foam. Its bronze Magirus pump can deliver up to 10,000 liters per minute, while the roof-mounted monitor can project water or foam up to 85 meters, nearly the length of a football field. This combination allows the vehicle to suppress large aircraft fires quickly while maintaining a safe standoff distance. Modern iterations now further complete the platform. The latest Neo variant introduces the Easy Operator human-machine interface, which allows intuitive control of all firefighting systems from the cabin. The Dragon X6 is also one of the few airport rescue vehicles to feature an electronic brake system with disc brakes and ABS. Despite a gross weight of roughly 40 tons, its coil spring independent suspension provides confident off-road performance, ensuring the vehicle remains effective even when operating beyond prepared surfaces. While airport rescue vehicles dominate runways, industrial disasters and mining emergencies demand entirely different engineering, maximum durability in environments where conventional fire trucks become casualties themselves. Number 7. Scania P500 XT Heavy Rescue Fire Engine. The XT is engineered for structural strength, high load recovery, and sustained operation in the harshest environments imaginable. From open pit mines to collapsed urban infrastructure, this machine is built for those moments. The advantage of the XT platform begins with its chassis. This is Scania's most rugged truck, built around a technical capacity of 30,000 kilograms. A one-piece steel bumper and a reinforced protective shield guard the engine, cooling systems and headlights, allowing the vehicle to push through rubble and twisted metal unscathed. An attached P-Series cab allows for rapid crew ingress and egress during time-critical operations. Power is one of the best attributes of the Scania DC13 engine, producing 500 horsepower and an immense 2,550 Newton-meters of torque. Unlike standard urban pumpers, the P500 XT features increased ground clearance and an approach angle of roughly 25 degrees, enabling it to climb over debris piles and steep off-road slopes that would stop standard apparatuses. Operationally, the high payload capacity enables an extensive rescue loadout, including large arrays of hydraulic cutting tools, stabilization equipment, and robust scene lighting systems designed to illuminate vast disaster zones. A side curtain airbag system ensures crew safety, a critical feature when operating on uneven terrain where rollover risk is elevated. In every sense, the Scania P500 XT is the definitive tool for the world's most unforgiving environments. The Scania conquers industrial disasters, but for pure extreme off-road capability, one legendary chassis stands alone. Number 6. Tatra Force 8x8 Fire Engine. The off-road giant is widely regarded as one of the most capable heavy-duty fire engines ever built for extreme environments. At the core of its performances is Tatra's unconventional chassis philosophy. Instead of a traditional ladder frame that flexes under load, the Force utilizes a central backbone tube as its primary load-bearing structure. This tube houses and protects all critical drivetrain components, shielding drive shafts and differentials from rocks, debris, water intrusion, and extreme heat. Complementing this design are Tatra's independent swinging half-axles. Each wheel moves vertically with significant travel, allowing all 8 tires to remain in constant contact with the ground, regardless of how uneven the terrain becomes. This ensures continuous traction where standard solid-axle vehicles would lose grip, making the Force exceptionally difficult to immobilize. The cab itself is deliberately compact and low-profile, allowing the vehicle to operate beneath dense forest canopies and enabling air transport inside aircraft such as the C-130 Hercules. This capability is vital for rapid deployment to remote disaster zones worldwide. The Tatra Force serves as a true off-road tanker, carrying between 12,000 and 20,000 liters of water. This allows it to operate independently in remote wildfire zones where water infrastructure is non-existent. Power is supplied by either Tatra's unique air-cooled V8 engine or by liquid-cooled Cummins or Caterpillar engines producing well over 600 horsepower. Mobility is further enhanced by a central tire inflation system, allowing the driver to soften tires to float over sand or snow, then reinflate for high-speed travel on hard surfaces without ever stopping. Because the Force is frequently utilized in direct wildfire attacks, critical braking and air systems are shielded with heat-resistant materials. Furthermore, the vehicle can wade through water depths of up to 1.2 meters without modification. The Tatra Force masters extreme terrain through mechanical robustness, but the next vehicle takes a different approach, optimizing every control surface for human performance under stress. Number 5. Rosenbauer AT Fire Engine. Rather than treating the fire engine as a collection of separate systems, the platform is conceived as a fully integrated rescue environment. Every movement, control, and surface is optimized to mitigate the chaotic conditions of a real-world emergency. A defining feature of the vehicle is its focus on crew access and survival. The patented revolving staircase allows personnel to enter and exit quickly and securely. Inside, the cabin functions as an integrated crew cockpit, featuring optional complete rollover airbag protection. This safety suite treats the fire engine more like a modern passenger vehicle than a traditional utility truck, prioritizing the lives of the responders. Control of the vehicle's systems is centralized through the Rosenbauer Logic Control System. From the pump and generators to scene lighting and auxiliary equipment, all functions are managed through clear color coding and a central 17-inch touch display in the cockpit. To assist under pressure, a single Arrive at Scene command can automatically activate essential systems, drastically reducing the crew's cognitive load during high-stress arrivals. Lighting is an essential part of this truck. High-performance, glare-free LED strips are integrated directly into the bodywork, casting wide, shadow-free illumination around the vehicle. This approach often eliminates the need for a separate light mast, improving visibility while keeping setup times to a minimum. In terms of firefighting performance, the platform supports a range of low and high-pressure centrifugal pumps, with flow rates up to 4,500 liters per minute. Multiple foam proportioning systems are also available. The body itself is constructed from lightweight, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloys and engineered with a low center of gravity to improve handling. Fire truck production isn't just for niche brands. Along the way, even Mercedes wanted in on the action. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz Unimog U5023. While the 23 designation refers to its 230 horsepower engine, the vehicle's true strength lies in a chassis capable of traversing terrain where even armored cars struggle. This capability is the result of engineering choices that prioritize surgical mobility over sheer size. Its portal axles position the axle housings above the wheel centers, providing exceptional ground clearance without oversized tires. This is paired with a torque tube and coil spring suspension system that allows up to 30 degrees of axle articulation. Instead of fighting the terrain, the frame is designed to twist and flex, keeping all four wheels planted over rocks, ruts, and uneven ground where conventional trucks would lose traction. Tire control Plus further extends this adaptability. From inside the cab, the driver can reduce tire pressure to float across sand, mud, or loose soil, then reinflate instantly for hard surfaces at the push of a button. This transition also requires no stopping. For wildland firefighting, the vehicle is engineered for direct exposure to extreme heat. Brake lines, fuel lines, and electrical systems are shielded with heat-resistant materials, allowing the truck to operate near active fire fronts. Its pump-and-roll capability enables continuous water discharge from a front-mounted turret or hose while creeping forward at speeds as low as 0.08 miles per hour. The platform's water-crossing capability is equally impressive. The platform can wade through depths of up to 1.2 meters of water or mud without stalling, making it effective during flood responses and remote wildfire operations alike. The mini firefighting prepared crew cab can carry up to 7 firefighters and is designed to remain habitable even when surrounded by embers and radiant heat. Mercedes-Benz masters wilderness firefighting, but when airports demand composite construction and twin-engine power, Turkey's Vulcan Lion delivers ferocious performance. Number 3. Vulcan Lion 8 by 8. The Vulcan Lion was developed to move with surprising agility. Through the strategic use of lightweight composite materials, the Lion maintains rapid acceleration and high top-end performance despite its massive physical footprint. At the core of its performance is a twin-engine configuration, with the 8x8 flagship producing a combined output ranging between 1,300 and 1,540 horsepower. This immense power allows the vehicle to accelerate to 80 kilometers per hour in just over 20 seconds, a figure that places it far ahead of conventional trucks in the same weight class. This dual-engine layout also enables full pump-and-roll capability, allowing the Lion to discharge water at maximum pressure while moving at high speed across the airfield. Its firefighting capacity is equally formidable. The Lion carries up to 17,000 liters of water alongside 2,000 liters of foam, supported by a high-output VFPN centrifugal pump capable of delivering between 10,000 and 12,000 liters per minute. Its roof-mounted WG9000 SE turret provides long-range reach of up to 110 meters, while a front bumper turret handles close-range ground defense. For specialized fuel or chemical incidents, The vehicle is also equipped with a 500-kilogram dry chemical powder system. Technological integration defines much of the Lion's design philosophy. The body and cabin are constructed entirely from glass-reinforced plastic composites, offering reduced weight, total corrosion resistance, and improved aerodynamics. Inside, the panoramic cockpit is fitted with thermoduric windows that provide a wide, uninterrupted field of view, which is critical during chaotic crash responses. A fully integrated 360-degree camera system, linked via CAN bus controls, provides operators with complete situational awareness across the vehicle's vast footprint. Expanding the platform even further, Vulcan has introduced a plug-in hybrid Lion variant. This model can reach 80 km/h in electric mode alone and powers the firefighting pump for up to 45 minutes on battery power, ensuring the Lion remains at the forefront of modern airport safety. While the Lion dominates airports with overwhelming power, the next vehicle takes a completely different approach, packing the capabilities of 3 separate trucks into one compact chassis for Japan's dense cities. Number 2. Morita MVF Fire Engine. Widely regarded as one of the most versatile all-in-one apparatuses in the world, its purpose range includes handling fire suppression, rescue, and flood response without relying on a secondary support vehicle. Its design reflects the stark realities of dense cities and narrow streets, where speed, adaptability, and a minimal footprint are prioritized over sheer physical size. What sets the Morita MV apart is its role as an actual Swiss Army knife of firefighting. Unlike conventional pumpers, it integrates an articulated aerial platform directly into the vehicle. This boom, with a reach of approximately 13.7 meters, allows crews to access the 4th or 5th floor of a building for rescues or elevated water discharge, all without deploying a full-size ladder truck. Despite housing this aerial system alongside a water tank, the vehicle still provides more than 1,200 liters of internal storage space for rescue equipment, including specialized compressed air foam tools. The rear deck further reinforces this multi-role nature. Built as a modular working platform, it can be configured to transport inflatable rescue boats during floods or carry heavy recovery equipment for earthquake response. This flexibility allows a single vehicle to transition between vastly different disaster scenarios, a necessity in a country prone to fires, typhoons, and seismic events. In its most recent edition, the MVF-21 platform extends its operational reach to 21 meters, while retaining the compact dimensions required for narrow streets. The vehicle is equipped with an innovative leveling system that automatically stabilizes the truck on uneven ground or sloped roadways. Remote operation capabilities allow the boom and pump systems to be controlled wirelessly, keeping operators at a safe distance from unstable structures. Typically crewed by 6 firefighters, the Morita MV carries between 900 and 1,500 liters of water, supported by a foam tank ranging from 100 to 200 liters. Built on highly maneuverable 4x4 or 4x2 Hino or Isuzu chassis, it is a vehicle designed for precision, adaptability, and survival in the tightest urban conditions. Now, finally, the future of firefighting vehicles is brought by a very familiar company. Number 1. Rosenbauer E-Panther Electric ARFF. Firefighting performance remains formidable. The electric motors power a high-output pump capable of delivering up to 9,000 liters per minute. The cabin is designed for maximum situational awareness and crew safety. It is certified to ECE R293 crash standards. It features a panoramic field of view, advanced driver assistance systems, a 360-degree bird's-eye view camera, and electronic stability control. The Panther Electric is not just an evolution of the fleet, it is the definitive proof that the future of heavy rescue is electric. This vehicle stands as the world's first fully electric ARFF truck, setting a new benchmark for airport safety, sustainability, and operational performance. It pairs zero-emission attributes with the same capabilities as traditional diesel-powered apparatus, proving that electrification does not compromise firefighting effectiveness. At the heart of the Panther Electric is an all-electric drive system powered by 4 high-performance electric motors, fed by a 256 kilowatt-hour high-voltage battery. Even on battery power alone, the vehicle accelerates from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour in under 25 seconds. When the optional boost mode combines battery output with backup generator power, that time drops to under 20 seconds, surpassing the International Civil Aviation Organization's response standards. Its top speed is rated at 120 kilometers per hour, allowing for rapid runway response without sacrificing stability. The vehicle's zero-emission operation is ideal for routine airport duties, eliminating exhaust fumes and reducing noise pollution, creating a safer environment for crew members. An integrated energy backup system, consisting of a compact diesel generator, would guarantee uninterrupted operations during extended incidents or training sessions, even if the batteries are fully depleted. Firefighting performance remains formidable. The electric motors power a high-output pump capable of delivering up to 9,000 liters per minute. The cabin is designed for maximum situational awareness and crew safety. It is certified to ECE R293 crash standards. It features a panoramic field of view, advanced driver assistance systems, a 360-degree bird's-eye view camera, and electronic stability control. The Panther Electric isn't just the future of airport rescue. It's the vehicle that forced the entire industry to accept that electric propulsion now surpasses diesel technology. It's not merely the most advanced fire truck in the world. It's the blueprint every manufacturer will follow for decades to come. Thanks for watching. Now check out the videos popping up on screen for more unbelievable stories.